This is a Passive Maestro review, bonus, and back office look. I just took this course and this actually has some really good information. Now, for the first 3 days, they actually have a super low launch price. So let's go ahead and look at the page. I'm going to tell you the amazing bonuses that you're not going to see anywhere else, that nobody else can touch. Then we'll do a back office look at Passive Maestro on how this guy, Fergal Downs, was able to automate 100K a year without mailing lists, without doing posts, without doing any of that stuff. And I don't know if you've seen him before, but I'm constantly battling it out with him on YouTube when I'm trying to rank my videos. He's always in there floating around somewhere, and he has been able to do this consistently over and over for years. So let's go ahead and look at the sales page. We'll look at the bonuses, and then we'll get in the back. So right here is Passive Maestro. It is actually Trevor Carr on the sales page. He is partner up with Fergal Downs and Max Gerstermayer in this funnel set. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you the bonuses that I have offered. Like I said, this is going to blow you away. Nobody else can offer this. And after that, we'll go ahead and take a look in the background for Passive Maestro and show you exactly what you get in the course. So for this one, I'm going to have 7 big bonuses for you. Like I said, you're not going to be able to find this anywhere else. But bonus number 1, I'm going to show you a step-by-step automated hack to complete all 5 of the tips he mentions in the module, Lesson 11, Free Traffic. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to automate every single step. So what he shows you is a little in-depth and things that you would have to do every day in and out. And I'm going to show you how to automate that whole process to make this even better with the information that you're going to get. Bonus number 2, I'm going to give you a discount link to the top rated vendor I also use, where I've seen good results with his buyer list solo ads to help you with lesson 12, paid traffic. So he's going to give you one of his top vendors that he likes to use. I'm also going to show you one of the top rated vendors in the industry, and I'll show you a way that you can always get leads and clicks from his buyers list. And it's also discounted from any other platform that you can find. This is a backdoor link. I'm going to go ahead and get that for you as well. Also, bonus number 3, I'm going to show you a full course on building monetized Facebook groups fast. Bonus number 4 is a full course on Fiverr arbitrage on how to make money without doing the work. Bonus number 5, a full course on a new take on Parasite SEO, ranking with full outsourcing. I don't know but I like outsourcing. I like to set things up in the background, forget about them while I'm making money. Also, bonus number 6, you're going to get a full course on web design business where you do not do the work. You bring in the leads, you bring in the sales, all the other work is outsourced. Also, bonus number 7, you're going to get my full course on lazy outsourcing, where I was able to hire 12 full-time VAs to do most of my daily tasks and promotions. I had them doing video editing and voiceovers and making shorts, doing basic virtual assistant things, and I was able to hire them full-time. I also show you some tips and tricks on how to not get scammed with outsourcing and how to fire those people who you need to let go just in case they don't perform the way that you are looking. Now remember, the super low launch price is only for the first 3 days. I'm going to give you this bonus package if you buy within the first 3 days so that you can get this course plus multiple other courses for free, plus tips and tricks to help you with things that are in the course that you're not going to find anywhere else. So you can see right now it is at a super low rate for the launch, but you only get this low price for the first 3 days, which is pretty awesome. For the content that's inside, I was very impressed. I actually picked up a couple of gold nuggets inside that I had never seen before, which was cool. It shows you the basic steps that are in here, but what I love about it is that he actually includes 2 done-for-you courses that you're able to go ahead and promote if you're having trouble getting approved for different offers. Also, it shows you a background framework to be able to use if you are promoting your own products, creating your own courses, so that you can have this on autopilot without having to rely on the basic methods that a lot of other people use. So we come through here. He shows you some of the results that he had from promoting his product without using a mailing list, without mailing out to other people. This here is Fergal Downs, the one I'm talking about. And like I said, he's laid back, low key in the background. He does make YouTube videos for products that he promotes. But what he teaches in this course is how you can actually promote things without ever being on camera, and gives you the ability to promote even if you don't have your own tribe behind you ready to do it. So here we are inside of the PassiveMystro course. This is the back-end preview of it. And if you see here, it's got 16 different modules in here, and a lot of these modules not only have the video, but then they also have links to freebies and things that you need to be able to accomplish this. He has a bunch of free templates. He also includes 2 other done-for-you courses that you're able to promote automatically, automatic approval, so you don't have to worry about getting turned down when you apply to promote different products. Or it also shows you ways how you can promote your own stuff as well as get that traffic coming in. So right here, we've got lesson 1, the overview, lesson 2, done for you recurring courses, lesson 3, creating your own recurring product ideas, lesson 4, building your site, lesson 5, protecting your site, lesson 6, best affiliate platform and payment platform, lesson 7, customer retention, lesson 8, sales copy and sales graphics, lesson 9, price points and upsells, lesson 10, commission for affiliates, lesson 11, free traffic, a lesson 12, paid traffic. And right here, this is where 2 of my bonuses are going to be put in here to show you exactly how to maximize this and lessen the burden of time on your plate. Also, lesson 13, student traffic, lesson 14, affiliate traffic, lesson 15, case study, and lesson 16, conclusion. Now, like I said, Fergal Downs is somebody who has been in the game a long time. I have done a lot of promotions on YouTube with promoting affiliate offers, and he is very often there inside the top ranked videos because of a lot of these things that he does here in this course. I'm always battling it out with this guy, and he always makes good affiliate commissions. So hopefully you check out this course, PassiveMystro. Make sure to go ahead and pick up my bonuses once you buy through my link. I do get a small commission for when you purchase through there, but you are going to get 7 massive bonuses you will not find anywhere else. So thank you so much for checking out my PassiveMystro review and bonus walkthrough. I look forward to seeing you on the inside, and if you have any questions, leave them below this video. I'd be happy to answer them for you. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.